Hey everyone, this is Amanda here at Riley Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac. Decided to go on live Facebook just to take a little time and talk to everyone. I'm sure everyone's been hearing all of the news and the developments within the media regarding COVID-19 or the coronavirus as it's better known as. So we wanted to give you an update on how we're handling things here at Riley Auto Group. And we are live and the phones are going, so I apologize for any background noise. We are open for business, as you can hear from the background. But jokes aside, we are here and we are open, we are ready to serve you. But the safety of our employees and our customers has always been a top priority and will continue to be. But with that, we've decided to institute some policies to ensure the health and well-being and comfort of anyone who comes to our dealerships and our collision center. One of the things, in addition to the regular practice of good hygiene, like washing your hands, we have been disinfecting all of the common areas on the hour, every hour. We've also been limiting the things that could be touched by multiple people, like magazines, newspapers, the remote control, things of that nature. In addition, our employees have been supplied the supplies. They've been provided the supplies and other options of doing business in order to better serve you. Something to keep in mind when you come to the dealership, if we know that we're going to be handling some of your personal items, like your keys, when you come in to the service department or whenever you come in for a test drive and we take your driver's license. Since we'll be handling your personal items, we want you to feel comfortable and rest assured that we have sanitary wipes. We also have latex gloves if you would prefer a salesperson or a service writer to use those whenever you come to the dealership, just for your peace of mind and your health. We are pretty busy here in the background if you can't hear. Thanks for everyone for understanding. You can hear the background noises. So some other things, some other options of how we do business. We've always had the option for a valet service or a drop-off at for pick-up and drop-up at your home to our dealership for service. So if you've scheduled a service appointment and you don't feel comfortable coming into the dealership, we can absolutely make arrangements for you, for us, to pick up your vehicle at your home or wherever and return your vehicle when the service is complete. Something else that can affect business, we wanted to be sure that the car buying process is easy and hassle-free as possible, something we've always done. But we're taking some extra steps, and we'd like to announce that we will be offering a door-to-door delivery service for any of our new or used vehicles, and also a test drive. So if you'd like to schedule a test drive, you can have that. We'll have a salesperson come out to your home or place of business and give you all the information about the vehicle without having to ever step foot here in the dealership. But we are open, so if you would like to come to the dealership, you can absolutely come and see us. We'll be regular business hours until further notice. You can give us a call at 573-634-2324 if you want to speak to a salesperson or schedule your service appointment. Additionally, you can chat in on our website, rileychevrolet.com, or text us at 573-294-2012. Bottom line is, we're here for you guys. We're here to help. Our staff is here to help, and y'all have been very supportive of us, especially in the last year, and we want to just continue doing business and making you all feel comfortable and safe to visit our dealership. We'll continue to monitor and any of the latest guidance from the CDC or local authorities, and we'll update you as necessary. So if you got a chance to watch this live, thank you for watching, and come see us at the dealership or give us a call. Thanks.